everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer, and I welcome you back to another reading video related to LanguageCert Achiever B1 for Secure English Language Test. This video can be extremely useful for candidates who want to appear for General Training IELTS and they want to get 4 bands in reading. So, today in this video, I'm going to help you out with part 1 of reading multiple choice questions. And if you don't like reading, it's completely fine. I'm here for you. We'll move through the questions one by one. Let's do it. All right, as I always say that there are 4 steps to find your answer. Step number 1, read the title. So what's the title in this one? Yes, you're right. This is the title. Paul McCartney. That's the title. If you don't know how to read this name, it's completely fine, right? And then I always say that read. And then I always say that look at any pictures. We have a picture of a person, seems to be a singer, holding a guitar. His name is Paul. So Paul McCartney became a worldwide star as one. So this is about Paul. Now we have some options in here. Nobody, everybody, or somebody. Let's try to have a look at the paragraph now to scan your answers. That's your step number 4. Paul McCartney became the worldwide star as one of the 4 Beatles, John, Paul, George, and Ringo. In fact, his real first name was James, but blank knows him as Paul today. Because he's famous. What's the answer? I'm going to give you some time to think. Think about it. Okay. Did you say everybody? If you said everybody right now, you're right. The answer is everybody. Right? Everybody. So we can also write B in here. Of course, that's the correct answer. Good job. Very nice. Okay,